Pineapple and turmeric drink reverses cancer-causing inflammation and even beats the common cold. In this video we are going to show you how to make the most powerful homemade drink that will help you fight and prevent the cancer-causing inflammation. We can also mention that this drink is also very useful against the common cold as well. You will need these 3 powerful and all-natural ingredients: pineapple, turmeric, ginger, and lemon. These ingredients have 2 things in common. These 3 ingredients have powerful 1. Anti-inflammatory properties, 2. Anti-tumor properties. So we can easily say that when you mix these ingredients together you will make a powerful healing beverage. You can use this powerful homemade drink to fight cancer and reduce inflammation. You should know that this powerful homemade drink is also extremely useful and it's amazing at helping you revitalize and rejuvenate your body. About the ingredients. Lemon is loaded with citric acid which helps to eliminate kidney stones. Did you know that pineapple juice is 5x more effective than cough syrup? Turmeric contains high amounts of the powerful anti-cancer compound curcumin. Ginger, this powerful root kills 2 types of cancers. Coconut oil and black pepper improve absorption of the nutrients. Note, this homemade drink is very simple and easy to make, and the best thing about this homemade drink is that it's safe, all natural, and it's made by easy available ingredients. You just have to follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 2 cups ripe pineapple, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 inches of turmeric root, 2 inches of ginger root, 1 lemon peeled, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Directions. Here's what you need to do. You just have to run all of the above ingredients through a juicer and add the coconut oil at the end and stir with a spoon. Enjoy your drink. Make sure you drink it immediately.
This pineapple water will detoxify your body, help you lose weight, and reduce joint swelling and pain. That's right, this amazing pineapple water will help you cleanse your body from all harmful toxins, reduce the swelling and pain in your joints, and supercharge your immune system. Amazing, right? Well, yes it is, and it's very simple. Just drink this pineapple water every morning, before breakfast, and get ready to be amazed by the results. We all love pineapples, right? Pineapples are sweet and delicious tropical fruits. They are loaded with healthy nutrients and antioxidants and can provide many health benefits. Pineapple is extremely effective against water retention, bloating and cellulite. It's rich in water, about 90%, potassium that eliminates the excess of water, iron, that creates red blood cells which are known to transport the oxygen throughout the whole body. The experts have discovered that pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain that improves the digestion and fights against the inflammatory processes of the organism. Another very important property of this enzyme is that it can fasten your metabolism. Pineapple is a hypocaloric fruit. 100 grams of pineapple have just 40 calories. The best way to consume pineapple is when it's fresh and ripe, as well as keep it in the fridge upside down, so that the sugar can melt in the whole fruit. First of all, you should know that bromelain has powerful anti-inflammatory properties which reduce the inflammation in the body and detoxify the organs and tissues. Pineapple is a great diuretic, which can eliminate water from your body and prevent water retention. Eliminates intestinal parasites. A recent study has confirmed that drinking pineapple juice 3 days in a row can successfully eliminate intestinal worms and parasites. Improves your thyroid function. This super healthy pineapple water contains high amounts of iodine and bromelain which boost your thyroid function and prevent a number of health problems. Balances your electrolyte levels. Pineapple is loaded with potassium, which means that this water can help you eliminate fatigue and balance out your electrolytes level. Eliminates toxins and heavy metals from your body. This pineapple water is packed with special enzymes and antioxidants, which will cleanse your body from toxins and heavy metals. Bromelain will improve your digestion as well. Strengthens the gums and teeth. This water is packed with calcium, a mineral which is vital for proper health of bones and teeth. Pineapple is loaded with beta-carotene, an important antioxidant which improves your vision and reduces the risk of age-related vision problems such as macular degeneration. Many experts claim that bromelain is more effective than the conventional chemotherapy drug called 5-fluorouracil, on more than one type of cancer cells. Pineapple water, recipe. 1 liter water. 1 medium-sized pineapple. 6 mint leaves. Directions. Peel the pineapple. Chop it in small pieces. Add the pineapple pieces in the jar. Add the mint leaves. Pour water. Close the jar and let it sit in the fridge for 8 to 10 hours, overnight. That's it.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.